Hey there Discord users, welcome to Tech Basis, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your username in Discord on your Android device. So first of all, unlock your smartphone and launch the Discord app on your device. Once the Discord app is open, tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. This will open up your user setting menu. Now you can tap on your profile icon again, or you can also tap on the setting button located in the top right corner of your screen. Both will open up the Discord setting menu. Now look for the account tab and tap on it to open it. Now you will see your username, email, phone and other options. Tap on your username and you will see a text box with your current username. Tap on it to edit it. Now just erase your old username and now type in your new desired username. Remember, you can only use numbers, letter, underscore and period. You can't use other character than these. Once you are satisfied with your new username, tap on Save to confirm it. Discord may or may not ask you to verify your changes by entering your password. If so, just simply follow the prompt to do so. And voila! Your Discord username has been successfully changed. And that's it for today folks. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Discord tips and tutorial like this one. Thanks for watching guys.